Hello everyone, Devashree here. This is day 11 of my assignment. So let's start with the assignment. Question number one. Question number one is share 5 things which we test in SEO testing other than what is covered in the training. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is a process of evaluating the results to which what we can say which we make on our site or page to increase the or to make the uh, search uh, for better search results for the users, right? Our site should come on the top of the search results when the user is uh, accessing that particular or looking for that particular service or the product, right? So this is what SEO is, that is search engine optimization, to make our site more accessible or to make our site on the top of the search engine. So this is what SEO. So 5 things which we test in SEO are place or remove the external links. Like means removing the removing some of the links may be beneficial for our site and may help the search engine to make it on the top for the users or the readers, or placing more relevant links for that particular product or the service may also increase the search rate, right? The second one is play with social comments and buttons, like adding some social media uh, what we can say social media buttons like Twitter, Facebook, Insta, which are in trend nowadays. So for that, we can use that for increasing the what we can say the uh, accessibility towards to the in our website, so that one should actually go and search, like commenting may make your more comments, that means the site is more relevant or the site is very useful, like that. So it may also increase our accessibility to the users, right? The third one is add or restructure the internal links. Internal links are the hierarchy content. It shows the hierarchy of the content. So it also helps in the search engine optimization or the optimization of our sites, right? The next is remove bold tags. Bold tags is used for that, what we can say, it's an artificial thing that we are actually adding to our content. So remove that artificial and focus on what the main part of our website is. And the next is perform significant content upgrades. So content upgrade is the basic or key for the search engine optimization or to optimize your website. Upgrading your content may help you a lot for the search results. So these are the 5 things which we test in SEO testing, right? So next is explain database testing by using your own example with tables and visuals. So what is database testing? So database testing is a type of software testing where it checks the schema. It also checks the integrity and the consistency of the all tables, right? So this is what database testing is. Now let's see what the let's see with it with the example, right? So for example, consider a school report card, right? So here we are having subject table, status table, and the student table. So subject tables ID, then subject name and the status. Status table is having ID and the status like pass and fail, and the student table with the name, last name, mobile number, and the status. So here in database testing, there are 3 keys, that is primary, unique, and the foreign key. So what is primary key? Primary key are the one which are unique but not null. It should have some value because the primary, what we can say, the primary key does not contains null value. For this example, so primary keys are IDs like 1, 2, 3, 4 ID for each uh, table, right? They are the primary, what we can say, primary key for this particular example. The next is the foreign key. So foreign keys are those that are primary in their own table, but when comes to uh, do the relationship between two tables or to associate two or more tables, when they are used, they becomes a foreign key. So for example, like here, we can see status ID, right? ID is 1 and 0. It is primary here, but it is, what we can say, uh, it is having, what we can say, it is associated to the student table. So to this is associating with this, so this is a foreign key here, right? So the next is unique key. Unique key is different, like each key is, each uh, value is different than the other. It is not necessary that the values are same, like, right? And it can be null also. So this is what the unique key. So here, testing means database testing will, what happens in database testing. If I want to remove, if I remove here, like I remove status pass, I remove the status pass. But for this, here I'm having the status 1 1 1 for the three of the students, right? So it cannot be removed, it should not be removed. But if it is removed, then it is an error. So we should take such scenarios into the consideration while doing the database testing, right? So this is what the database testing is. Here association between two or more tables, like this and this table may be the association, or this may be the association. Subject table and the status table, where the relation between these is called as association, while schema is whole this three of the tables, like subject table, status table, student table, right? So all the rows, columns, and everything included here in the database is called as the schema. So this is what the database testing is. Thank you.